Good afternoon to all my students. I am Dr. Gajendra Prasad Singh, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Jamnilal College, Hajipur, Vaishali, a constituent unit of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Vishwavidyalaya, Muzaffarpur. Today, I am going to discuss ethylene glycol. The chapter is alcohols, and chapter alcohols has been placed in TDC, that is 3 years degree course, Part 1 Chemistry Honours syllabus. Ethylene glycol is an important part of the chapter alcohols. Ethylene glycol is also called simply glycol. Its structure formula is written as CH2 bond OH bond CH2 OH. Its IUPAC name is 1,2-ethane diol. First we discuss the preparation of ethylene glycol. There are 4 methods which we are going to discuss for the preparation of ethylene glycol. First method is preparation of ethylene glycol in the laboratory. That is laboratory method for the preparation of ethylene glycol. Now, ethylene is passed into the alkaline solution of potassium permanganate. Ethylene glycol is obtained. The chemical equation can be shown as 3 molecules of ethylene, that is 3 moles of CH2 double bond CH2 plus 2 KMnO4 plus 4 H2O gives 3 molecules of ethylene glycol, that is CH2OH bond CH2OH plus 2MnO2 plus 2 KOH. This is the method by which we prepare ethylene glycol in the laboratory. Now the second method is industrial method. As we know that ethylene glycol has a great importance for the purpose of industry also. So, a method, that is industrial method, is also adopted. In this method, ethylene is heated with oxygen at high temperature in presence of silver catalyst. Ethylene oxide is obtained, which on hydrolysis by warming with dilute sulfuric acid gives ethylene glycol. CH2 double bond CH2, this is ethylene, reacts with half O2 in presence of silver as catalyst, gives ethylene oxide, and this ethylene oxide reacts with dilute sulfuric acid and is heated also. The molecule of water present reacts with ethylene oxide to give ethylene glycol, that is CH2OH bond CH2OH. This is industrial method for the preparation of ethylene glycol. Now, third method, that ethylene bromide is hydrolyzed with aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Ethylene glycol is produced. CH2Br bond CH2Br plus 2Na2CO3 plus 2H2O gives CH2OH bond CH2OH plus 2NaHCO3 plus N2NaBr. Here this is CH2OH bond CH2OH is ethylene glycol. Now the fourth method, that when ethylene is passed into hydrogen peroxide solution in presence of osmium tetraoxide, ethylene glycol is formed. CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethylene plus hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2. This ethylene is passed into hydrogen peroxide solution in presence of osmium tetraoxide, that is OSO4. Ethylene glycol, that is CH2OH bond CH2OH is obtained. This is ethylene glycol. So equation can be written as CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O2, that in presence of osmium tetraoxide, that is OSO4, gives CH2OH bond CH2OH, that is ethylene glycol. Now we discuss physical properties. That means there are four methods available which we have discussed just now. Now we discuss properties. First we discuss physical properties. Ethylene glycol is colorless viscous liquid with a sweet taste having boiling point 197 degrees Celsius. I want to tell you that ethylene glycol is a viscous liquid having no color or colorless. It is sweet in taste and its boiling point is 197 degrees Celsius. Second point is that it is soluble in water, alcohol, but sparingly soluble in ether. So, second point is that it is hygroscopic and soluble in water and alcohol, but sparingly soluble in ether. And the third point is that it is as toxic as methyl alcohol when taken orally. That I want to tell you that ethylene glycol is toxic as methyl alcohol when taken orally. It is toxic as methyl alcohol. These are the physical properties of ethylene glycol. Now we come to discuss chemical properties. The molecular formula of ethylene glycol is CH2OH bond CH2OH. That I want to tell you that ethylene glycol molecule contains two primary alcohol groups linked together, and hence it shows the chemical reactions of primary alcohols twice. So, first we discuss the reaction of metal sodium with ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol reacts with sodium to give first monosodium glycolate, and this on further reaction with sodium gives disodium glycolate. Thus, equation can be given as CH2OH bond CH2OH, it is ethylene glycol, reacts with sodium at 60 degrees Celsius, gives CH2ONA bond CH2OH, that is monosodium glycolate. Only one atom of sodium is attached with this ethylene glycol. Hydrogen of OH group is replaced, and at that place sodium is substituted, and this sodium monoglycolate reacts with another atom Ca to give disodium glycolate at 170 degrees Celsius. That I want to tell you that the hydrogen atom of monosodium glycolate is replaced by the sodium atom. That means sodium atom comes and hydrogen atom goes out to give disodium glycolate. Thus we can say ethylene glycol reacts with sodium to give first monosodium glycolate and then disodium glycolate. This is the first property, that is reaction with the sodium, and the rest chemical properties will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.